Namaste, let's begin the video. First stock was ICICI Bank and it was a buy call at 721 rupees. Let me check the daily chart. 721, 724. Today was absolutely a nothing day in ICICI Bank. There was hardly any momentum. I'm going to write gapped up. Second stock was Finolex Cables and buying level was at 506 rupees. 506 is where I'm going to look at, but as you can see the breakout did not happen at all, which means did not hit entry level. Third stock was Sudarshan Chemicals and buying level was at 670 rupees. Sudarshan Chemicals. So 689, it has gone to that level, 670 somewhere here. What was my SL? 668. So as you can see, 668. Oh no, 689 is the high in today's session, which easily took out all the targets which I mentioned. So all targets hit. Fourth and final stock was SBI and buy level was at 452 rupees. It seems that price has gone down. 452, nothing happened. The breakout did not materialize in the first place. So this is the summary. Talking about the first stock for Monday's session, I have the Entertainment. This is the breakout level. So as we can see, the price action is perfectly poised for a breakout. Here was the first time the breakout level of 315 rupees was tested. Second time price did break out and once again here 3, 4, 5. So price is hovering around the breakout level. So if sellers manage to take the price closer to the breakout level in Monday's session, we can surely see buyers feeling discomforted, and that can help more and more sellers sell at 315, which can take the price in the vicinity of 310 or below. Second stock that we are going to analyze is Finolex Cables. On 5-minute chart, the level of 495 is the breakout level. And why I am saying that? First of all, let me draw one more line. This is a support level. As you can see, this support level got tested thrice, once here, second time here, and third time in today's session. In today's session, we can see two long wick at the bottom end, which means that price did went below what was the low, 492, and at that level buyers came and they pushed the price over 492 rupees. This thing happened twice, which shows that buyers are active at the support level, and this is going to discourage more and more sellers to keep on selling at the support level. So this is going to help buyers to buy at lower level and 495 is a good breakout level, because as we see on the chart here, this was a support level once again, twice, thrice. So this is a level where there are both buyers and sellers. So as we can see, buyers are becoming active at the support level. They can keep on buying, and which will going to help more and more buyers to sprinkle some amount at 495, and if that happens, you can surely see price touching the round number of 500 rupees or even more than that. Third stock is SBI. There is a gap here. Let me select a brush. This is a gap, and as we can see, price is taking support after filling the gap. So that was the first thing. Second thing is, this is a tilted channel pattern. This is a support of channel. Now I am going to draw a horizontal breakout line trying to connect highs and lows of multiple candles spread on the 15-minute chart. So right here I can see level of 443 as a good breakout level. So here it was a resistance level, but as you can see at this juncture, price gapped up and keep on going up. Then it was pegged back, and currently it is taking support after filling the gap. So all things are pointing towards a change in momentum. Buyers are likely to come above 443, and they can surely take the stock price at 450 or so, which is the high of this swing. Fourth and final stock for Monday's session is Havells India Limited, and this is the breakout level on 15-minute chart, and the breakout level is coming at 1420 rupees. So if we look at today's action, we can draw a bullish pattern called W pattern. Let me thicken it. So I have drawn a perfect W pattern, and this fourth part and first part is almost at the same level, which means that this is where the selling is coming from. But looking at the beginning of the fourth part, it looks so bullish. Why I'm saying this? These are long wick bullish candles along with spike in volume activity, which means that buyers are trying to buy as much as possible, and at the same time sellers are not feeling it. They feel that buyers are going to take the price over, hence it is better to sit out and wait for the right opportunity. These are the levels where we are going to trade all the analyzed stocks. I'm going to share the screenshot in my Telegram channel. Also, one thing which I always reiterate in my videos, we have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss to maintain longevity, and at the same time learn at our own pace. So that's it in this video. We are going to meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.